The moon shouldn't exist. Not like this. Not hanging so perfectly in our sky, scarred yet familiar, as if it has always belonged there. For centuries, scientists stared at it and asked the same quiet question: where did you come from? In the early days, answers felt tidy. Maybe the moon split off from Earth as our planet spun too fast. Maybe it formed elsewhere and wandered close, captured by gravity like a cosmic stray. Each idea sounded reasonable. Each one collapsed under scrutiny. Then, in the late 20th century, something strange began to surface, not in the sky, but in sealed laboratories across the United States. Scientists were holding rocks that had never known Earth. Lunar samples carried back by astronauts sat under bright lights while researchers leaned in close. At first glance, the stones looked ordinary, gray, ancient, silent. But when they were analyzed, the silence broke. The chemistry didn't match expectations. The moon wasn't quite like Earth, but it wasn't foreign either. Its rocks carried Earth's signature, oxygen isotopes nearly identical, yet were mysteriously depleted of heavy metals. Too light, too similar, too wrong. That contradiction became the hook. If the moon didn't break off cleanly and it wasn't a captured outsider, then something far more violent must have happened. Something that erased neat explanations. The new idea sounded almost mythic. What if, early in Earth's life, when the solar system was still chaotic and unfinished, a Mars-sized body slammed into our planet? Not a gentle collision, a world-ending impact. Theoretical models showed what would happen next. Molten rock blasted into orbit, a glowing ring of debris encircling a wounded Earth. Over time, that debris cooled, clumped, and slowly assembled into a single companion, the moon. Suddenly, the clues aligned. The moon's lack of heavy metals made sense. They sank back into Earth. The shared chemistry fit. Both worlds were forged from the same molten aftermath. Even the moon's tilted orbit and Earth's spin began to tell the same story. This wasn't a quiet birth. It was a scar, a collision so immense it reshaped Earth itself, possibly stabilizing its climate, steadying its tilt, and making life possible. Our tides, our nights, even the rhythms of biology may trace back to that single, then ancient impact. The moon isn't just a neighbor, it's evidence. A survivor of a planetary catastrophe, locked forever in orbit as proof that creation can come from destruction, and that the calm sky above us was forged in fire. If this story changed how you see the moon, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. It helps the channel grow and keeps these hidden histories alive.